In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer images onto Canvas. This simple guide will help you get those beautiful photos from your device onto Canvas quickly and easily, making for personalized art pieces or unique gifts. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to visit the design tool or platform you're using, such as Canva. Once you're there, look for the Uploads option on the sidebar of your workspace. Clicking on this tab allows you to access the upload feature where you'll bring in your image files. It's usually marked with an icon that looks like an upward arrow, making it easy to spot. Next, you'll locate the Upload Files button. This button is your gateway to bringing your images into the platform. When you click this button, a new window will pop up showing you the file directories on your device. This is where you get to choose that perfect image or collection of images you are planning to transfer onto the canvas. You can select one or drag over multiple files at once, which can save you a considerable amount of time if you're creating several canvas pieces. Once you've selected the images, click on Open. The images will begin to upload to the platform. Keep an eye on the progress bar that typically appears during this process. The time it takes will depend on the size and number of files you're uploading, and in this step, patience is key. With the images successfully uploaded, you'll see previews of them available in your upload library. They're just a click away from being used in your canvas design. To transfer an image onto the canvas, simply drag the image from the uploaded section onto your canvas space. Be sure to position it carefully. You can adjust the size and orientation by dragging the corners or rotating using the available tools. This flexibility allows you to customize your canvas layout precisely as you envision. As you position your images, remember to think about balance and focal points. Consider how each image sits in relation to the others and the overall composition. Use Canva's alignment tools to ensure even spacing and a professional look. If needed, apply filters, adjust brightness, or add text to enhance your design. Once you are satisfied with the placement and design on the canvas, review your work for any final adjustments. Then you can proceed to finalize and print your canvas. Each platform has different options for exporting or printing, so follow the respective directions to finish up. And there you have it, your image transferred beautifully onto a canvas. This method is efficient, user-friendly, and gives you great control over the final artwork. Whether you're creating for yourself or a gift, knowing how to navigate these tools opens up endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!